Hey everybody, Heather from Hooked on Pickin here. I've got 2 days worth of sales on Posh ending on May 1st. And so going into the springtime, basically, let's see what I sold. All right, so this is going to be all of my numbers. I'm going to take off all the shipping, all the Poshmark fees. And so I'm going to give you the number, which is my earnings that Poshmark pays directly to me once the item is delivered. And then I will then take off what I paid for it and then write my total profit on the board. So the first thing I sold is Women's June Bug Mules, a new day. They're silver, size 8. I got those out of a liquidation box for $2. $8.05 is what I earned. $6.05 are my in-pocket profits on that particular item. Then my next item that I sold is a pair of casual stretch size 16 cargo pants, the cute pink ones. Those I actually got out of a liquidation box as well for $2, but $2.05 is what I earned. They have been in my store forever, and so I discounted them just to get them gone and hopefully just to make my money back. And so the next item I have is a pair of Champion Flexform mesh sneakers. $2 out of a liquidation box is what I paid for those. $10.20 is what I earned, so $8.20 are my in-pocket profits. Once I get done, I'm going to add all of these numbers up and give you a total and how many orders I actually sold in 2 days worth on Poshmark. Then my next item is a 42E or double D bra, a 42 double D or size E. I got that from Savers for $4. $14.20 is what I earned, and so $10.20 are my in-pocket profits on that. The next item, I actually made a bundle myself. You can do this with some of your lower end items. So I've got a really cute clutch purse that's plaid looking, and then I put a really fun hair clip with like a jewel in it. Kind of looks like a miniature banana clip inside the bag with it, and I also pictured it together, and so I made my own bundle, but it makes some of my lower end items a little bit more enticing, so that's an idea of something to do. Those I both got from the Goodwill outlet, which means I paid probably a total of 50 cents for them. $2.25 is what I earned, so $1.75 are my in-pocket profits. So spend 50, make $1.75, not too shabby. All right, then my next thing I have is a pair of Fable Orange corduroy crop pants. I got these out of a liquidation box for $1, and so $3.25 is my earnings, so $2.25 are my in-pocket profits on that particular item. Then I've got a pair of Joy Lab elastic waist pants with pockets and really cute zipper detail on the bottom. Those came out of a liquidation box as well for $2. $6.25 is what I paid, so $4.25 is what I paid. And if you're wondering where I get my liquidation, just watch a lot of my other unboxing videos. There'll be some tagged at the end of this video. And I get a lot of like brand new items out of my liquidation. You can see exactly the condition. These were $2 out of a liquidation box from Target. $8.25 is what I earned, so $6.25 will be my total in-pocket profits on that. This next item came directly from my closet because I don't wear it anymore. It's a really cute, like full-length, long maxi dress. So $2.25 is what I earned, and since it was mine, $2.25 is what I get to keep. So yes, I still actually do sell my own clothes on Poshmark. Then I've got a Coverage plum color sports bra that I got out of a liquidation box. I had a ton of clothing in this liquidation box, so I only paid $1 for this one. $8.25 is what I earned, so $7.25 are my in-pocket profits on that particular item. Then I've got this swimsuit, which I found a new liquidator that I totally love for $2. $13.40 is what I earned on that one, and so $11.40 on that one tankini swimsuit. Perfect time of the year to sell it at springtime. Then you know me, I love my bundles. I earn a lot more, and so does the buyer because they can bundle their shipping costs. This coat came in there. It's Aspire by Galaxy women's heavyweight parka jacket. A lot of you ask, do I sell seasonal items during that specific season? Of course you can sell things great then, but this is a winter coat and it's May. So obviously somebody needs it and you can't find it in the stores, so it's the only place you can find it is online. So you can still sell off-season items during different weather patterns. And then I've got a pair of Lee Crafted women's vintage fray jean shorts. This was $2 out of a liquidation box. This was $1 out of a liquidation box. So $3 is what I have invested. $8.10 is what I've got for my earnings. So $5.10 is what I actually made. And then I've got these size 20 women's comfortable Dana Buckman black trousers, $225. Those came out of my closet, and so I've actually got $225 is what I get to keep on that one. $225. Very good. All right, then I've got a really cute top that I got from the Goodwill Outlet. 50 cents is what I paid for it. Goodwill Outlet is a different type of store than the regular Goodwill stores, but it's a really cute mock neck sleeveless top. $10.05 is what I earned. Take away my 50 cents. Then I've got $9.55 from something I spent 50 cents on. Of course, it's in really good condition. It's clean. It does not have the original tags, but it looks brand new, and my pictures show that. All right, $9.05 is what I earned on these pair of shorts. Came from the Goodwill Outlet, actually. And so I'll take my 50 cents off that I know I paid. When you buy from the Goodwill Outlet, you pay per pound. And so that's why I usually buy a lot at once and then just average everything out, and it equals out to about 50 cents per item. So $9.05 is what I earned. So $8.55 are my in-pocket profits on that particular item. And then last but not least, I've got a really cute new with tags Gabriel August 3XL retro high waist bra and bathing suit set. It's got polka dots with skull and crossbones. It's kind of really cute. $12 is what I earned, and that is also from that fun liquidation company that I really love. So $2 is what I paid, and so $10 total is my in-pocket profit. So I'm going to add all these together, let you know how many orders I have at the beginning of May for my Poshmark 2 days worth of sales. Okay, I've got everything added up. It came out to $95.35 for 2 days worth of sales on Poshmark, and it's 16 total orders. So that gives you an idea of what types of things I sold on Poshmark for these 2 days worth of sales. And remember, in the end, Jesus wins. You guys are a true blessing in my life. Thank you so much for helping me put this content out there to everyone. If you'd like to join these great people, please consider supporting me through my Patreon page. Check the link below. This is Heather from hookedonpickin.com. If you'd like to purchase my reseller guide, which is fully laminated 3 cards with checklists for Goodwill, eBay, and Amazon, please click the link below and you can purchase it now. The Goodwill card has over 80 different tips to show you how to walk through the store and what things I look for when walking through a thrift store to buy and resell items on Amazon, eBay, and other platforms. The Amazon reseller checklist has over 6 major steps and a lot of sub-steps to look at in order to find out, is my item going to be perfect for selling and reselling on Amazon? The eBay card also has 6 major steps to walk through to make sure you're choosing the right item that will be perfect for reselling and making money on eBay. Each card is fully laminated so that it cannot be destroyed easily, and it's perfect for taking with you while you're going on your picking and finding treasure hunting for reselling. I hope this is helpful, and I hope these cards help you to focus your energy to pick the right items to resell online to grow your reseller business. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. If you'd like to watch more of my videos, just click on them here. And if you'd like to learn more about the reseller world, subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Thanks.